Hi students, welcome back to your project, and today's lesson is the outline. So here on the project overview, you can see that the outline is worth 15 marks of your project, and the teacher is going to look for 4 things when he or she marks the outline. First, is it outline format? And I'll show you. Number 2, are you taking notes? Don't write sentences. Number 3, are you using the facts and information from the reading that you found for your project? And 4, did you paraphrase? Okay, so here are some instructions in the course book on page 51. So you can see here that it says the outline will have all of the information for your presentation. So you're going to give a presentation. You're going to speak for 5 minutes. What will you say? What will you say for 5 minutes? The outline should have everything that you will say. And put this outline in note form, not sentences. Do you know why? Because sentences sound really boring to listen to somebody reading sentences aloud. And also, notes are much faster and easier to find an idea when you need to. Okay, so we're going to see an example, but first let's talk about the outline format. So here is outline format. This is what I mean. So you can see that first we start with the 3 main ideas. So here's one main idea, and here's the second main idea. But now, what will I say about this main idea? These about the main idea comes here in the supporting information. And then maybe you want to say more about that. You have to talk for 5 minutes. So any facts or details or examples about that will come next. And we use numbers and letters to make it easy to know which is the main idea and which is the supporting idea or the details about that. And numbers, we can use capital letters and lowercase letters. So like that. And next, we indent. Indentation makes it really easy to see and follow. So indentation is this space here. And then to make it really easy to find the next idea, I indent more. So indentation is going inside to the right. And each time I indent, I know that this idea belongs to this idea. And it's really easy to find an idea when I need to. So if you are using a computer, it's really easy to indent by using the tab key on your keyboard. So here is that example. This is the student's example, and it's in your course book on page 65 and 67. It's a little bit long, but it should be because you have to talk for 5 minutes. So why do we need this outline? It helps you. It helps you prepare for your speech. It helps you think about what you want to say and know everything you want to say so you can plan your speech and practice your speech before you give your presentation. And you can use it during your presentation. You can look at it and remember what you want to say because you will forget. It's easy to forget when you feel nervous, but if you have your outline, you can look and you can quickly find the next point you want to talk about. Also, it's hard to remember numbers and facts and names. You can't remember all of that, so write it down in your outline. You don't have to remember these long numbers or these long names. You can look at your outline. So the outline will make sure that you don't forget anything. So here's an example of what you need to do, and you can study more about outline on the next page. You can see an example and have more advice.